The Bissell CrossWave Cordless Max Vacuum Mop all-in-one wet and dry vac combo is designed to offer a unique, convenient solution for cleaning hard floors and area rugs. This versatile 2-in-1 machine allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving time on cleaning. The cordless design gives you the freedom to move around your home without being tethered to an outlet. And with up to 30 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, it's well suited for tackling everything from spills and dust to grime on your floors. It's compatible with multiple surfaces, including tile, sealed wood floors, laminate, and even area rugs. This means you can seamlessly transition from one room to the next, whether you're dealing with a dry mess or something wet. The CrossWave's multi-surface versatility ensures it's up for almost anything, whether you're cleaning up dirt, pet hair, or sticky spills. The included Bissell Hard Floor Sanitized formula eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, providing extra peace of mind when cleaning areas where hygiene is important. It's particularly useful on sealed hard floors, leaving them not only clean but also sanitized. One of the standout features of this model is its self-cleaning mode, which quickly flushes debris and freshens the brush roll, making maintenance fast and hassle-free. It also has 2-tank technology, which ensures that clean and dirty water never mix, making it easier to maintain that fresh, clean feeling during the entire cleaning session. Setting up the CrossWave is simple, and the entire unit is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and under tight spaces. Despite its ability to clean effectively on multiple surfaces, the vacuum mop is compact, which means it's easier to store than larger traditional models. The app connectivity feature is another major perk, as it connects with the Bissell Connect app for alerts, maintenance tracking, and even reordering supplies like formulas and accessories through Amazon Dash replenishment. This takes the guesswork out of knowing when to clean, how to maintain the machine, and when it's time to restock on cleaning products. In real-world use, the Bissell CrossWave Cordless Max proves itself as a versatile cleaning tool. It performs admirably on hard floors, quickly picking up debris and wiping down surfaces, while its mop function ensures a deeper clean without the hassle of having to swap between a vacuum and a mop. The fact that it can handle area rugs, though not as deeply as a dedicated carpet cleaner, is a nice bonus. While testing it on pet hair, it effectively picked up stray fur from both hard floors and rugs, though it might require a little more attention when dealing with heavier pet hair accumulation. Additionally, the self-cleaning mode works as advertised, making it easy to maintain a fresh brush roll after each session, reducing the need for manual cleaning. In terms of performance, the suction power is quite good for a combo unit. It's strong enough to pick up both fine dust and larger debris, and the brush roll does an effective job of agitating dirt on hard surfaces. However, while it works well on smooth, hard floors, it's not designed for deep carpet cleaning. The battery life is solid, giving you 30 minutes of runtime, which is more than enough for smaller to medium-sized homes. The recharge time is manageable, but it's worth noting that you may need to recharge it between large cleanings. As for noise, it's slightly louder than some of the quieter vacuums, but not overwhelmingly so. When it comes to downsides, the main one is its handling of larger debris. It does well with small dust and pet hair, but larger particles or chunks of dirt can sometimes get stuck in the brush roll. The fact that it's not the best at handling deeper carpet cleaning also means it may not be ideal if you're looking for an all-in-one unit to tackle both carpets and hard floors at the same time. For those with primarily hard floor homes, though, this vacuum mop shines. Another minor drawback is that its water tank can fill up quickly, especially when mopping larger areas, requiring more frequent refills. In terms of value for money, the Bissell CrossWave Cordless Max is fairly priced for what it offers. If you're looking for a vacuum that can double as a mop for your hard floors and area rugs, this is a solid choice. It stands out in the market with its versatility and smart features, making it a great pick for anyone with tile, wood, or laminate floors who wants an easy, efficient way to clean. However, if you have more carpeted areas or need deep cleaning performance on high-pile rugs, you might want to look at alternatives like the Dyson V11 or the Shark Rocket Duo Clean, which excel at tackling carpets but won't mop. The build quality of the CrossWave is decent, with a solid plastic construction that doesn't feel flimsy, but it's also lightweight, which makes it easier to maneuver. The self-cleaning feature adds a nice touch, keeping maintenance to a minimum. Long-term reliability appears solid, and Bissell is a well-regarded brand in the cleaning industry, with a good reputation for durability and customer service. The app connectivity is a nice bonus, especially for tech-savvy users who enjoy having reminders and automatic reordering features, though it's not a must-have for everyone. This vacuum mop combo will likely suit homes with mostly hard floors or small to medium spaces. Pet owners, in particular, will appreciate its ability to handle pet hair and eliminate bacteria on hard surfaces. Those with heavy carpeting or larger homes may want to consider other options that focus more heavily on deep carpet cleaning. Still, for a vacuum mop combo, the CrossWave delivers great value, versatility, and ease of use. If you like the idea of combining your vacuuming and mopping routine, this could be a great tool to simplify your cleaning chores. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Bissell CrossWave or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Goodbye till next time, may your floors stay spotless.